everybody, I'm Sebastian, the winemaker in Podere Le Ripi, and I'm here today to talk not just about wine but also olive oil. We are in Tuscany, and like you know, making wine here is not the only hobby and passion that we have, but we do also olive oil, and it's a such important tradition. This is why we decide today with our team to show you our 4 favorite recipes based in our olive oil. Our olive oil is coming from those trees, very old, are more than 200 years old. And our olive oil is made with fresh crushing, with olive pressure, without chemistry. And such a great food and very healthy and very natural. Let's go together. I want to show you what we are doing with this.
I'm going to be preparing a simple, healthy and refreshing salad. Make the salad from our vegetables garden and edible flowers.
I'm picking basilico because I'm going to prepare bruschetta today. It's a traditional Tuscan appetizer entirely based around good fresh tomatoes and flavored Tuscan olive oil.
Hi, so I decided to make pizza because I think nothing beats this classic Italian dish. And my favorite thing at the end is to put the olive oil on top.
As for me, I'm going to do mozzarella caprese with tomato and mozzarella di bufala and just a bit of olive oil.
My favorite one is the carrot that nobody cooked.
Oh my god, we have a new pizza manager. Yes.
Pizza manager.